second graders, happy Wednesday. Today for your Sunday worksheet, you need to read the 4 sentences and put them in order of which they happen. So paint the chair and let it dry. We'll buy some paint. I can sit on my red chair, stir the red paint in the can. What do you have to do first? Yep, first you need to buy some paint. So you're going to write, we'll buy some paint using an uppercase letter at the beginning, correct contraction, finger spaces throughout, and a period at the end, and your word should be spelled correctly. Then what happens after you buy the paint? Yep, you need to stir the red paint in the can. So second, with a capital letter at the beginning, spaces throughout, and a period at the end, you're going to write stir the red paint in the can on the second line. And then go ahead with the third and the fourth. Then the second part, it says, first I ride the fast cars. It's time to go home. Then we'll ride the big wheel. We're going to the fair. What would go first? Yep, we're going to the fair. So on line 1, you're going to write this sentence correctly on that line. Then what happens next? And so on.